Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2. I knew Corel would do the math for you, but I couldn't get it to work. So we want to rotate it that 1/5 of the degree. So you need to type in 360 and then put in a space divided by 1/5, and it rotated it that 72 degree. And then you can Control D, and like before, just hit plus 72 degrees, and so on and so on. So you can do that with any of them. Let's just do one more, but you have to type in 360 divided by space. Let's go 1/6. 360 space divided by 1/6. And there we go. Then you go Control D and it doesn't do it, but you can go 120 and hit Control D and it'll go all the way around. So math, it'll work, but I was just not putting a space before that. And 0 doesn't work, so you have to type in 360 space divided by 1/2, let's say, around halfway to get that half of 1. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.